2025 Yamaha RX100 marks the revival of one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced. Known for its simplicity, lightweight feel, and thrilling riding character, the RX100 holds a special place in motorcycle history. This modern interpretation aims to capture the spirit of the original while adapting to present-day expectations and regulations. Engine performance. The 2025 Yamaha RX100 is a modern, fuel-efficient engine engineered for reliability and smooth performance. While it no longer relies on the raw nature of the past, the engine is tuned to deliver quick throttle response and lively acceleration. Its lightweight nature ensures an engaging riding experience, especially in urban environments. The power delivery remains easy to control, making it suitable for daily commuting, while still offering a fun and responsive ride. Classic design with modern refinement. The design of the 2025 RX100 stays loyal to its retro roots. A compact fuel tank, flat seat profile, and minimalist bodywork reflect the original RX100's timeless look. Chrome accents and round elements add nostalgic appeal, while improved build quality and modern finishes give it a fresh and refined presence. The motorcycle maintains a slim and lightweight stance, making it instantly recognizable and visually appealing to both old fans and new riders. Lightweight handling and riding ease. One of the RX100's greatest strengths has always been its agility, and the 2025 version continues that tradition. The lightweight chassis allows effortless maneuvering through traffic, tight streets, and sharp turns. The upright riding position enhances comfort and visibility, reducing fatigue during longer rides. Suspension tuning focuses on balance, providing stability on smooth roads while absorbing common urban bumps effectively. Modern features with a minimalist approach. The 2025 RX100 blends modern features with simplicity. A clean instrument cluster displays essential riding information clearly. Improved braking performance enhances safety, while updated electronics ensure better efficiency and reliability without complicating the riding experience. Everything is designed to keep the motorcycle easy to own and easy to ride. A motorcycle for everyday freedom. The RX100 has always been about freedom and simplicity, and the 2025 version stays true to that philosophy. Low running costs, easy maintenance, and dependable performance make it a practical choice for daily riders. Its nostalgic appeal also makes it an emotional choice for enthusiasts who grew up admiring the original RX100. Conclusion: a legend reimagined. The 2025 Yamaha RX100 successfully blends nostalgia with modern practicality. By preserving the soul of the original and refining it for today's roads, Yamaha delivers a motorcycle that celebrates its legendary past while remaining relevant for the future. The RX100 is not just a bike, it is a timeless riding experience reborn.